Ready to upgrade your daily routine? Discover the must-have gadgets that'll change the way you live. Here are the top 5 Amazon picks you never knew you needed. Let's dive in.
The JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set is a versatile cleaning solution designed to simplify household chores. It features a flat squeeze mop with a microfiber head, perfect for both wet and dry cleaning on various surfaces like floors, walls, and windows. The built-in wringer in the bucket allows for hand-free squeezing, keeping your hands clean and dry during use. Its long handle ensures comfortable reach, even for hard-to-access areas, and the highly absorbent microfiber mop head effectively picks up dust, dirt, and spills. This set is ideal for efficient, deep cleaning of your home without the hassle. The nostalgia tabletop indoor electric s'mores maker brings the fun of roasting marshmallows indoors, making it perfect for family gatherings, parties, or movie nights. This electric s'mores kit comes with roasting sticks and 4 trays to hold all your essentials: graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, creating an easy and mess-free s'mores experience. The flameless electric heater safely roasts marshmallows without needing an open flame, making it ideal for indoor use. With its nostalgic design and convenient setup, this s'mores maker adds a delightful and fun twist to your dessert night, ensuring everyone enjoys a classic treat. The FITINDEX Smart Scale is a digital bathroom scale designed to provide a comprehensive analysis of your body composition. In addition to measuring body weight, it tracks 13 key health metrics such as BMI, body fat, muscle mass, and more, offering a detailed view of your overall health. This smart scale syncs with a mobile app, allowing you to monitor your progress over time and integrate with other fitness apps. With a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds and a sleek white design, it's both functional and stylish. FSA and HSA eligible, it's a valuable tool for anyone serious about tracking their health and fitness journey. The vacuum sealer machine with 80 kilopascal suction power is an efficient tool for preserving food freshness and reducing waste. Equipped with a double pump, it provides strong vacuum performance to seal both dry and moist foods effectively. The machine features multiple modes, including pulse for delicate items, and has a handle lock designed for secure operation. Its 12 mm widened heating strip ensures a tight and reliable seal, while the LED indicator light and built-in cutter enhance user convenience. This vacuum sealer is perfect for meal prepping, sous vide cooking, or extending the shelf life of your food, ensuring freshness with every use. The Yonana's 902 Classic is a simple and fun kitchen gadget that turns frozen fruit into creamy, vegan, and dairy-free soft-serve desserts. Powered by a 200-watt motor, it's easy to use. Just feed your favorite frozen fruits through the machine to create delicious and healthy frozen treats without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Ideal for those following vegan or dairy-free diets. It comes with 36 recipes to inspire creative flavor combinations. With its sleek silver design, the Yonana's 902 is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy guilt-free frozen desserts at home.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more amazing gadgets. See you next time.